Well, hey, Stampin' Friends, Darlene with Darling Stamps. So my last video, which was based on why I suspended, and my minimal craft area. So I had a mini craft room when I moved into the basement for the family, from the family. And now I have a mini craft room. So I have a table, and let me swing. This is it. This is, and this actually is a smash because I took the February pumpkin with the sunshines and smiles, and then I took the pumpkin from, I think it's November. Yep, November. And I made some cards. So let me just show right quick. So this is the ho 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 from the November, from those gift tags. And then I just found a P and I put hop, hop, hop and had the little bunny rabbit. So that was an alternate. And then just use that backdrop. I did raise this a little bit. Sorry, I don't have my regular camera, so I am holding it with my phone. But I want to show this one. Remember the, see this dot that was on the set? So I took that dot and I did a tone on tone, and see on the rainbow, kind of add a little bit of dimension on there. So just something different. And then this one was fun. So it's kind of the same design that's in there, except for I used frog. So in, I forget how long ago, but I actually had a friend give me a metal frog. And it's a little thing you put in your pocket or on your desk or something, like a weight hold. But using the acronyms, frog means forget, rely on God. So I thought that would be appropriate in having some cards I made make for that. And then this one, now this little sprig is from this month, from February. But this little die cut is from Creative Memory, so it's not Stampin' Up. But I thought very simple. I didn't raise this because I have the weight from the bow. But that basically is my alternates. But I wanted to just bring up, so because I want to make more of the frogs, a friend of mine helped me with her color printer since I'm in transition and mine's packed. But just taking the dies before you pop them out and then just make copies. Now I can fussy cut these, but you know, having a bunch of them really can give you a wider spread of your cards, because the little frogs are so cute. So anyhow, that's kind of my that's my short version. And we are getting ready to move so I can have an actual craft room. But so this is kind of hat day, no makeup day, just sit and craft. On our way home from our trip, we actually were able to stop at one of my customers slash friends slash sister in Christ. And I had been hemorrhaging without a craft room, and so I was able to play in her craft room. And so I stayed up to the wee hours of the night, and then got up early and just had a ball crafting in her craft room. And so I also want to show you that I got this beautiful electric die cut machine, and I got that from my auntie. So I am excited about using that, and I'd take a little break and do a live cast of a video and bring a lot of things into motion. You know, I got different kinds of comments last time from subscribers, or even just people who had watched the video, that I wasn't very specific with why I suspended. But that's what's nice about the pumpkins, is that when you're in transition, you're on vacation, or funds are tight, or whatever the case may be, you can suspend it and then pick it right back up and be able to do that. So that's why I suspended it. So no big drama, no big deal. So anyhow, this is real quick, real short, but I wanted to show a little bit of the alternates I had fun in her craft room to do, and also my new I call my big shot. It's easier to say than the die cutting embossing machine. So I so appreciate my subscribers. I love the comments, even those that are constructive, because it's always good to change and to have an ability to upgrade what I'm doing. So my my March one's going to be late, so that's going to be on there. So hopefully you've had a little bit of extra treats and supplies from your March February kit that this helped, and look forward to the February. And it might be on the go like this versus my formal, or it may be a tour of my new craft room. You'll have to wait and see. All right. Thanks so much. I appreciate you all and look forward to new subscribers, new adventures, and a new kit. Have a great day.